YouTube. Out here with the boys. We're gonna go do a little lot sesh today. I'm wicked excited for that. We're gonna take it somewhat easy down to Blackman's Cycles and go meet up with the rest of the crew. I'm gonna sit back here and observe. We're gonna be a little conservative and actually get to the lot so no one gets pulled over. All right, so it looks like we got a DRZ, a DRZ, a DRZ, a DRZ, KLX, and then my KTM. It's definitely the biggest little supermoto ride I've been on. I've been on like big Grom rides and shit, but not this many supermotos, and we're gonna go meet up with a whole bunch more. Haha! Nice! Little burnout action, little wheelie action. You alright? Take the key out. Put it back in. I missed that one. Smoked me out. Whoa! Yo! Fucking assholes. These fucking guys are savages. Fucking gassing me out back here and shit. Fuck, Jesus Christ, man. Well, I guess this is the shit you gotta deal with when you ride with fucking hooligans. Combo action. I swear to God we had a conversation at Wawa that we're gonna take it easy on the back roads, get to the lot, and then do some wheelies and shit. And so far it's been like that conversation didn't even fucking happen. So it looks like every single one in this crew can wheelie. That's awesome. You got the crew coming in hot. Yo, Dylan's sick with it. Oh man, he's fucking just coasting. Looks like we got another KTM joining the group. Two smoke. Smells good. Get it. Hell yeah, I'm so down for a lot session. I'm so excited. Oh, we got a ton of bikes too. Yes, I'm on point today. Hell yeah, tubers! Feel good! Little burnout action.